Hi class, Nora Hernandez here again for my last discussion. I am going to be talking about the different types of ladders and the proper ladder placement. Before we can talk about the ladder placement, we need to figure out the intent of the ladder and what kind of ladder we're going to be working with. These are these different types of ladders that we carry. We carry a straight ladder, which is a non-adjustable in length. It has only one section, and the length it ranges from 10 feet to 24 feet. Then we have a roof ladder. Roof ladder, pretty self-explanatory. It's got the hooks on the upper end, and the length it ranges from 12 to 20 feet. The folding ladder, it's a single ladder that is built with hinges, the hinge rung so that one beam folds against the other beam. And that one, the most common length for the folding ladder is 10 feet. The extension ladder, it's an adjustable in length, and it ranges from 24 to 39 feet. And then we have the Bangor ladder. The Bangor ladder, it's an extension ladder, and it has the staples for added stability, and that one ranges all the way up to 65 feet in length. And last, we have the combination ladder. The combination ladder can be used as a single, extension, or A-frame, and it ranges in length from 8 to 14 feet. So once we figure it out, the intended use of the ladder, we are going to work on the proper placement. For ventilation use, we want for ventilation from a window, it should be the tip of the ladder. It should be about even with the top of the window. If we're doing some kind of rescue from a window, you want the tip to be placed even or slightly below the windowsill. If you're using the ladder as a vantage point from which to direct a hose line into a window opening and no entries to be made, it is raised directly in front of the window with the tip on the wall above the window opening. Ladders placed on the roof should be extended 5 rungs above the roof. Now let's talk about the climbing angle. The climbing angle optimum angle is approximately 75 degrees. This provides good stability and places stress on the ladder properly. And that's about it for the angle. We know it's 25 degrees. So these are just placement guidelines. You want the ladder, you want to ladder at least 2 points on different sides of a building. You want to avoid placing ladders over openings such as windows and doors. You want to take advantage of strong points in building construction when placing ladders. You want to raise the ladder directly in front of the window when a ladder is to be used as a support for a smoke fan. Place the ladder tip on the wall above the window opening. You want to avoid placing ladders where they may come into contact with any overhead obstructions, such as wires, trees, or any signs. You want to avoid placing ladder on uneven terrain, soft spots. You want to avoid placing ladders on main path of travel. You want to avoid placing ladders where they may contact either burning surfaces or opening with flames present. You want to avoid placing ladders on top of sidewalk or sidewalk deadlights. And do not place ladders against unstable wall surfaces. And that's about it for ladders. Like I said before, placing a ladder, you have to figure out the intent of the ladder, and you have to choose the correct kind of ladder you're going to be using for that specific job.